everyone, my name is Kalpana. Welcome to my channel Table for One. Today, as I promised you in my earlier video, I'll be showing you chutney for fried rice. Chutney for fried rice? What is that, you may ask? Yes, learn it. I am sure you will love it. Today we'll be making a chutney. Chutney for fried rice. You must be wondering what chutney this is. It's a special chutney, my own invention. So, shall we start? The ingredients required for fried rice chutney are I have taken a small bowl full of onion. If it is a medium size one, you have to take two. If it is a small one, you have to take four. If it's a large one, then you take only one. 1 teaspoonful of, or I can say it's little more than 1 teaspoon. It is tamarind paste I have taken. If you don't have, you can also take the tamarind fruit, soak it in the warm water and extract the pulp, and you can use it. Because I have taken paste, I have taken some water also, and I have taken lots of garlic. I think it's 2 tablespoon. Some oil. You need little more oil because this chutney can be preserved for many days. You can put it in the bottle and keep it even for 15 days or even 1 month in the fridge. It will stay. And here I have taken 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons full of red chili powder, and a little bit of, I think, 1 teaspoon of sugar. I would take 1 to 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce for this chutney. This is optional. If you want to put it, you can put it, otherwise not required. I switched on the flame. The flame will be little high in the beginning. Then as the onions fry, you have to lower the heat. As I said, this recipe requires a little more oil because we can preserve this chutney. 2 tablespoon you can take oil. Now the oil has heated up nicely. You can add the garlic. This requires the garlic, onion, everything to be browned completely. Once the garlic is completely cooked and it starts turning light brown, you don't make it too dark because still you have to fry the onions in that. Onions also should turn brown. To help the onion brown quickly, I am taking half the salt that I have already shown you, and I am adding it to the onion so that it starts browning quickly. This chutney can be had with idli also, idli, dosa, paratha, chapati also, but it tastes yum with fried rice. Now the onions have become transparent. It has to still change the color to brown. So I am frying it further. I am turning the gas on to medium high. Ensure that you don't burn this mixture because it will not taste good. So you just have to keep stirring it once in a while and keep an eye on this. Because the quantity is very less, you have to take care not to burn it. If you want to prepare more, you can just multiply the quantities that we have shown and you can store it in the bottle, in the fridge. The onions are cooking, but it is not yet completely cooked. It will take another 2 or 3 minutes to become brown. So I'm just stirring it. Now as you can see, the onions are browning. Onion and garlic are browning. So I can smell the aroma of this. Now it is time to add the dry ingredients. Reduce the flame because it will burn otherwise. Now just roast the dry ingredients for few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, until it gets cooked. Add the tamarind paste. At this point, you can add the soy sauce also. You can see, you can eat it this way also if you want. But I'm going to add little water. And give it a good boil. And now we have to wait till the oil separates from the masala, this masala mixture. If you feel it is too spicy, you can add some more sugar. You can't eat too much. You just have to take 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon on your plate and mix it with your fried rice and eat. Because this is quite spicy dish. But as I said, if you don't want to make it spicy, you can reduce the chili powder or add some more sugar. But just as it is, it's very tasty. Now this chutney is done. You can see that oil has completely separated from the mixture. So the consistency of your chutney should be like this. If you want it more watery, you can add little water. But because we are going to preserve this in the fridge, so I'm just keeping the consistency to this. I hope you like today's recipe. This is the chutney for fried rice. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.